Welcome back, you guys, and today we're going to be making some smoked curry goat. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Right here I have 2 packs of goat meat. That's right, 2 packs of goat meat. Depending on the size of your family is depending on how many packs you're going to need, but for right now this is what I'm using. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is take this over to the sink in a bowl with some water, and I'm going to add some distilled vinegar as well so I can clean my meat off. That's right, clean your meat, y'all, clean your meat. And while I'm gonna go ahead and let this meat sit in the water for a second, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up some of my vegetables. So I have here my potato that I'm gonna cut up and dice up, as you can see right there, into bite sizes. I'm gonna put this in some cold water to keep it from discoloring until I need it again. So right here I have my fresh garlic, minced garlic. Right here I have my thyme, basil, and oregano, fresh from the garden. I have onions, and I also have some parsley, fresh from the garden as well. So what I'm going to do is now, since the goat meat is already done, let's go ahead and season this. Let's add our garlic. Now let's go ahead and add our fresh herbs because we are building up these seasonings right here. That's right, building them levels of seasoning. Let's go ahead and add some onions as well too. And then let's go ahead and add some parsley. And all these ingredients are coming, well, not all of them, but parsley, oregano, and thyme, that's coming straight out of my garden, you guys. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is just mix in all of our fresh herbs that we got from the garden and also the onions. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on the potatoes because I want to add these potatoes on while I'm seasoning the meat, so everything gets coated nicely with seasoning and everything tastes divine. Okay, so now since we've added all of our ingredients, let's go ahead and top this off with a little bit of liquid smoke, and let's start seasoning this meat and potatoes. Now I would suggest to use liquid smoke because liquid smoke just takes it to another level. Y'all have to try this. It is so good. It gives it more of a smoky taste as well too. So with that, let's go ahead and season it with a little bit of onion powder. Now all these seasonings are definitely optional, but my suggestion is I would recommend getting all of these seasonings and using them. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on, probably like a good tablespoon or so. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of turmeric. And I'm also going to be showing you which turmeric I'm actually using right after this. So there you have it. There goes the turmeric powder that I'm actually using. So now I'm going to actually go in with a little bit of curry powder. Yes, curry powder. This is what's gonna make this dish. Oh, yes. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see the seasoning. This is beautiful. Just beautiful. Okay, so now let's go in with a little cayenne pepper. And the reasons why I'm using very little is because I don't want this dish to be extremely spicy, but I do want it to have a little kick. So I'm just adding just a small portion. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of garlic powder. Can't go wrong with a little bit of garlic in your life now. Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you a new seasoning that I've been using. It's ground sumac. You guys definitely have to get this. It will take any dish to the next level. So I'm just going to be adding about a tablespoon of this on top of this dish. And then I'm going to add just a pinch of red chili powder to this as well. Again, I don't want it extremely spicy, but I do want that kick. And let's go ahead and mix in all of these wonderful, delicious ingredients. And now, since we are done seasoning this beautiful dish, let's go ahead and now cover this dish with a little bit of aluminum foil, and let's pop this in the smoker. We are going to be smoking this for about approximately 3 hours with hickory chips. And as you guys can see, I got my smoker going. And with that, you guys, after you guys pull this out of the smoker, wait for it, wait for it. Oh, good Lord. Y'all, these potatoes was smoked. They're not burnt, they smoked. Okay. So look at that, you guys. There goes my smoked curry goat. Seasoned and nice and delicious. And I'm about to go get me a plate because it's just so good. Alright, with that, y'all, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm out.